get lonely and it helps to talk. Because that's...
260. I got this Space Jam t-shirt. It's a steal, it's like 60 bucks.
Trying on some penguin suits. Worm, I'm super pumped for your wedding. Cannot wait. And I look damn good in a tuxedo. Start wearing this every day.
It's like the party spot. This house, this neighborhood reminds me of like R.L. Stine, like prime time when he would film the Goose.
Seven, 9.
Did you get a gum socket? I think so.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, I love you.
I love you too. I had to.
Beans.
Is vomiting, diarrhea, drooling. Back up.
It's good, everybody. Okay, so welcome back to another vlog. We're out here in Deatsville, Alabama. It's beautiful, as you can tell. Cotton fields, beautiful sun. Cotton fields. Okay, so started out in Pensacola. Went to Deatsville, Lounsboro, Montgomery, and then we're gonna go to Birmingham tomorrow. We've got a few things planned to do tomorrow before we get to Birmingham. Thanksgiving with Jessica's family. Right now we're here at my Aunt Rita's house doing Thanksgiving like we did last year. Here again. But anyway, about to go do the pumpkin chunkin'. That's like one of the best times of the year.
1, 2, 3, can you sit down?
She's like, I was just doing my job.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
What about me? What about me?
Me and Rowan had a few finds while we were out there today. A few cow skulls. How country are you really if you buy your cow skull at Target?
Okay, now what about Lala? But at least we got all the dogs back.
That food was incredible. You know? Rowan, what his favorite part of the day was. We had a pretty eventful Thanksgiving. Last year was really cold. Year before that, we had some, it's kind of a damp holiday. But this year it was super awesome. Food was great. Everybody had a great time. Pumpkin chunkin' was dope. For a good transition?
Yeah.
Ready?
3, 2.
Whoa, hey. Morning. Okay, so, what? I guess Birmingham. Then back here. Let's do it. so Blues Traveler is totally underrated. They're an incredible band. I don't know why they haven't won more awards for their amazing work, but they're the shit. Thanksgiving feast.
But except it's the day
Right?
Alright, so Rowan said he had to pee. We walk out here in this parking lot. As soon as we go to pee, the light right above him comes on.
Ready?
Alright guys, I'm ready to go. Back home in Lounsboro. Gonna go home tomorrow. Back to the beach. We'll be at like, I don't know, like 600 miles? 650? But either or. Thank you guys for coming to the vlog. Much love. Happy Thanksgiving. I guess we'll see you at Christmas. Yeah, I guess that's it. Like and subscribe.